Hello, dear distinguished people. My name is Dr. Abdelghani Fawad Hussein. Welcome to a new lecture from our training course. The complete collection of search engine optimization strategy templates with step-by-step instructions. 99 things you can do with Google Tag Manager. Good old clickbait. Add a huge number to the title of the popular topic, and you're good to go. Oh, I almost forgot to mention that 54 will shock you, and you won't believe what is in the D72. You probably have heard at least something about Google Tag Manager. I hope so. But if that name still does not ring a bell, here's a quick introduction. GTM is free software from Google that allows you to install various types of code, tags, to your website like Google Analytics tracking code, Google Ads conversion scripts, etc. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, as there are many more things you can do with Google Tag Manager. Interested in increasing page load speed, implementing remarketing codes, tracking clicks, or form submissions? Google Tag Manager use cases. I've compiled a whole bunch of various articles, blog posts, resources explaining particular GTM techniques that you can apply in your analytics marketing stack. All items in the list are split into the following categories. Getting started. Clicks. Forms. Sales, e-commerce, conversions, remarketing. Players. Cookies and privacy. Browser, related, navigation. Additional user data. SEO related, data quality, content related, time related, chats, comments, server, side tagging, miscellaneous, getting started. Usually, every GTM journey starts with the installation and basic tracking. Since there are different entities that can be tracked, naturally, there are different solutions for them. 1. Track website page views. 2. Track page views of a single-page website or web application. 3. Track accelerated mobile pages, AMP. Keep in mind that AMPs have a lot of tracking limitations compared to a regular website, but there are still some things you can do with GTM, and SEMO explains them. 4. Track mobile applications. Here are two cool resources to help you get started, for Android and for iOS. 5. Easily install various third-party tools by using built-in tag templates. Google Tag Manager features a powerful tag template system to help simplify the publishing of tracking codes and eliminate errors. In addition to the templates for Google tags such as Analytics, Google Ads, and DoubleClick, templates for a growing list of certified vendors are also supported. Additionally, in 2019, GTM introduced a new feature called Custom Templates. With it, anyone in the community can create a tag or variable templates to make the management of tracking codes easier. Here's the gallery of currently available templates. Clicks. 6. Track button clicks. Interested in tracking add to cart, buy, or other buttons? Then this tutorial is just what you need. Looking for a universal analytics tutorial? Click here. 7. Track contact links, emails, Mailto, and phone numbers, tel. 8. Track file downloads, e.g. PDFs. This example is applicable to Universal Analytics or other tools that do not track this automatically. 9. Track outbound, external. Link clicks. Know where your visitors are leaving. This example is applicable to Universal Analytics or other tools that do not track this automatically. 10. Track affiliate link clicks. If you are doing affiliate marketing on your website, you might want to track which affiliate links are clicked the most. 11. Track accordion clicks. This example is applicable to Universal Analytics or other tools that do not track this automatically. Forms 12. Track form submissions. A comprehensive guide with 6 GTEM form tracking techniques. Many different types of forms, many different form tracking methods. 13. Track form abandonment. Keep in mind that not all forms are supported by this solution, so make sure you read the requirements carefully. 14. Drop-down field selection tracking. 15. Know your email subscribers less. Don't show them pop-ups if they have already landed on your website from your email newsletter. 16. Form submission timing tracking. Track how long does it take your users to submit a form. 17. Pre-fill form fields. This technique is especially useful if you want is the traffic source of your form submissions, and you'll see that data in Calm or another list where all your form submissions are stored. 18. Track checkboxes. Sales, e-commerce, conversions, remarketing. 19. Implement Google Analytics standard e-commerce features. 20. Implement Google Analytics enhanced e-commerce features. 21. Implement Google Analytics for e-commerce features. 22. Track affiliate sales. If you run your own affiliate program, you can do that via Universal Analytics. Of course, keep in mind that the more recommended way is to use specialized tools, but if you want to get started quickly, this might be a solution for you. 23. Install remarketing codes, pixels, like Google Ads, Remarketing, or Facebook Pixel. 24. Track very large e-commerce transactions with Universal Analytics. This example applies to Universal Analytics. 25. Track conversions. For example, Facebook, Pixel, etc. 27. Implement dynamic remarketing. Here is another resource WordPress users might find useful. Media players. 28. Track video players like YouTube, Vimeo, generic HTML5 players, etc. 29. Track audio players like SoundCloud and Mixcloud, or a generic HTML5 audio player. These solutions are designed for Universal Analytics, cookies, and privacy. 30. Set, read, and delete cookies. If you haven't used this before, check this guide ASAP. The ability to use cookies in GTM has solved many problems of mine and my projects. 31. Configure cookie consent banners. 32. Easier management of tags in order to be GDPR compliant. Once you implement the cookie consent mechanism via GTM, you can update all your tags to respect visitors' preferences. Has a visitor declined from being tracked for marketing purposes? Then with GTM, you can automatically block Facebook Pixel and other related marketing tags from firing. 33. Store cookie consent data in Google Analytics. This example applies to Universal Analytics. 34. Count page views in a cookie. You can fire a particular tag on just, say, the first page view. 35. Fire tags accordingly to the user's traffic source. This information is stored in a cookie that replicates the old Google Analytics Atomzi cookie. With this solution, you can fire a specific tag only when a visitor completes a purchase and has landed on your page from Google's search results. 36. Remove personally identifiable information, PE, from URLs. According to Google Analytics terms of use, you cannot store personal information in their reports. So if your page URLs contain email addresses or other PE, you can rewrite it with DTM before that data is even sent to Universal Analytics.